Hi all, welcome to pantech eLearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Particular kind of a system, it is nothing but known as the IoT, known as Internet of Things.
And we are completely going to work on with Microsoft Azure using Raspberry Pi. Now from that we will create a Internet of Things hub for us. To go for IoT hub, click on create. So hereby each and every hub requires a resource group. Okay. So here already I have an particular hub, but I am not selecting it because there are some data logged in, so it won't be looking like a fresh. So hereby I am just creating a new one. So click on create new, type the name and providing address IoT mast. So click on OK. Select that version as free trial. Create the name of the hub live. So the name of the hub is live. So providing us live. So East US. So any region we can select. Click on next. Provide it as public access or private access if it is needed. So now I am just taking it as a private. Okay, so first let us go for public, because in public we don't need any of these certificates and the managements. It is very easy to send the data. Now click on next management. From this we can take the tier whichever we need. So if you are taking this S1 as a tier means 4 lakh messages per day we will be able to send, and cost per month is 1801 13 paisa rupees. So all that particular security, everything will be enabled. So from this we can take whichever the tier we require, including basic tiers are also available. The same, and at the same time Defender. Defender is nothing but the security. Security won't be available. If you are going for standard only, you will be getting it. But I prefer basic one tier. So now I am just going to create this particular file. So if you need that particular cloud to device command, IoT edge and device management means routings, everything it is applicable only for free or standard tiers. So that reason I am just changing to standard tier 1. If I am going to 2 means this 18,000 for that. I am going for standard 1 means it is simple. So the policies, everything has been shared. Like Amazon, we no need to provide any external policies and all. Automatically it takes policies with RBAC. Now hereby I am clicking on next. So here no need to provide any tags and all. Just review whatever we have provided. The live IoT, that will be the name of the hub. Okay, now let us click on next. Now let us review again. So everything is provided. Click on create and let us wait for some time to get this deployment as IoT mast. So now the deployment is in progress. So now we have created that particular hub. Now let us see what is our required packages. Sudo pip3 install Azure IoT device, Azure IoT hub, service client and device client. So these 4 packages are most important inside our Raspberry Pi. So hereby I am just opening it. So type sudo pip3 is for Python 3. Now press enter. So all the packages have been satisfied. Now the same thing for IoT hub. Service client. So that is also installed. And finally our requirement is device client. Okay. So everything is installed and that's it, our requirement over here. Now let us open our code. So hereby I am just taking away this particular key because we have to add another key since I have created another resource group. So first taking random, first we can send our random data. Import time for delay purpose, Azure IoT device, import a hub device client as well as the message. The connection string we have to take from the hub, that will show you how to take it. Then temperature, this is some random data only I have provided. Initial temperature is 20, humidity 60. Then message text, what and all the message will be sent means temperature this value, humidity this value will be sent. Inside the IoT Hub client, we have to create the connection with the help of the connection string. Connection string only, here it is known as API key, application interface key. So with that, we have a primary as well as secondary connection. Whatever the connection is required for us, we can use it. Okay, so from that we will be able to take. Then the next thing is IoT Hub underscore client, the telemetry sample run. So from this, therefore the client equal to IoT Hub underscore client underscore init, that particular data will be taken. So from this, the temperature will be taken from that particular value we have provided. Randomly it will be taken, and the entire data will be taken as randomly. If temperature is greater than 30, the temperature alert will be displayed as true. Less than 30 means it is false. Finally, the message will be start to send. Client.send messages. It will be integrating this Python code with the connection string, and then the data will be sent towards the Azure Hub. Then after that, each and every message will be sent for 3 seconds one. Okay, for each and every 3 seconds the message will be uploaded. Keyboard interrupt, print IoT Hub client, the sample has stopped. Once when we are going to stop, and this will be the main function which will be working for client and telemetry message. So this particular telemetry message only we can say it as message queuing telemetry transport. The same MQTT protocol only here also it is being applied. So this is the particular coding part. Now let us get back to the hub, and the deployment is ready. Now get back to the IoT. So here our function is live IoT. Now within this live IoT, scroll down, go to Explorers, create the device. Create a device, click on add a device. So type a new ID and provide it as RPI mask. Then symmetric key, everything will be provided. Click on save. Now click on RPI mask. You will get the entire keys. Device ID, primary connection, primary key, secondary key, connection string. So these are all the different keys. Now click on primary connection, copy. Primary connection string as copy. Move to the code and paste it. So this will be the particular shared access key. Now hereby I am just going to run the module. Click on OK to save. Now the message has been started to send. Go to home, go to resource groups, click on IoT mask, and here we can see all that particular overviews.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.